And good evening, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. Now, when you have a speaker like Thandi Modise heading up the parliament, you know South Africa is in big, big trouble. This is a woman who blatantly neglected all the animals on her farm, and her farm was probably a donation given to her by the ANC government because of her connections. But she didn't care for the animals, did she? And over 50 died. And AfriForum have taken her to court. And when she was supposed to appear in court, she didn't bother to attend. So a warrant of arrest went out against her. And this is the Speaker of the South African Parliament. And this is the update on where that particular case is right now. Modise was expected to appear in court on Friday morning on charges of animal cruelty. A warrant of arrest for National Assembly Speaker Thandi Modise has been put on hold by the regional court sitting in Potchefstroom in the northwest. Modise was expected to appear in court on Friday morning on charges of animal cruelty. The case follows a successful private investigation conducted by civil rights organisation AfriForum's private prosecution unit on behalf of the National Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, or NSPCA. This allegedly after Modise left her farm unattended, causing the death of over 50 pigs and other animals due to lack of water and food. And this is the Speaker of the South African Parliament. Every time you see her in the Speaker's chair, know she is an animal killer, and she has no right to be in Parliament. AfriForum's senior special investigator, Elias Mangwali, says there is no way whereby an accused person can stay away from court attendance, but we say we will postpone the matter further to the 22nd as we have agreed with the defence lawyer. The warrant of arrest has been issued in court today, Friday, and it has been held until the 22nd of July so that she can appear in court on that day. But of course, you know, the ANC government say that's bullshit. She never had a warrant of arrest issued against her, did she? No way, no. Parliamentary spokesman Moloto Motapu has rubbished reports that a warrant of arrest was issued to the Speaker of the National Assembly, Thandi Modise. The SABC had reported that a warrant of arrest was issued for Modise after the Speaker of the Parliament did not appear in court on Friday on charges of animal cruelty. However, Modise is expected in the Potchefstroom Regional Court Northwest on July the 22nd, which was yesterday. Matapo took to Twitter to clarify that the postponement of the court hearing was an agreement reached by all parties and that Modise would have not been able to preside over the State of the Nation or SONA, which took place in Cape Town on Thursday evening, and be in court on the Friday morning. Well, tough titties, quite honestly. You know, the court comes before you sitting there and looking like grandstanding on the red carpet. You know, absolutely ridiculous what's going on in South Africa. Modise was expected in court after AfriForum's private prosecution unit announced late last year it was going to privately prosecute her on behalf of the National Animal Protection Association, or NDBV. Now, what's interesting is that despite all the evidence of animal cruelty, the police never laid charges. The government never laid charges. This is a private prosecution being entered in by AfriForum using evidence against this very, very well-connected member of the ANC, who are obviously above the law. Following the postponement in court, AfriForum said in a statement that Modise's legal team has argued that due to her parliamentary responsibilities in presiding over President Cyril Ramaphosa's State of the Nation address on Thursday, she would not be able to appear in court. AfriForum's private prosecution team, however, argued that the position of the Parliamentary Speaker did not elevate her above the country's courts. The summons to appear in court was handed over to Modise on May the 15th, 2019, the statement read. Now, clearly, what AfriForum says is right on the money. AfriForum's investigator at its private prosecution unit, Elias Mangwali, said AfriForum's private prosecution unit welcomes a hearing so that Modise can finally account for this cruel case of animal abuse. Even the Speaker of Parliament should not be able to escape prosecution simply because she is a high-ranking political leader. Our involvement underlines the respect we have for the NDBV's selfless work. So there you go, guys. If you remember the ANC, you are above the law. Yep. Double standards when it comes to justice. We've seen it so often in South Africa, and I've covered it so much. And this is just another clear-cut example. It's going to be very interesting to see how she defends this action of animal cruelty. Anyway, guys, please remember to subscribe to be kept informed. Ring the bell for the updates, and have a great evening. Bye for now.